Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the launch of the OPPO Find N5. If you're a tech enthusiast or love staying updated with the latest gadgets, this is the video for you. First, let's talk about the launch date. The OPPO Find N5 is set to launch on February 20th, 2025. Mark your calendars for this exciting release. When it comes to design, the OPPO Find N5 is making waves as the thinnest foldable phone, measuring just 8.93 millimeters when folded. This sleek design is sure to appeal to those who value both style and functionality. The display is another standout feature. The OPPO Find N5 boasts an 8.12-inch internal display with a fourth-generation water-drop screen structure and UTG glass. This combination ensures a high-quality viewing experience with added durability. Under the hood, the OPPO Find N5 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This ensures top-notch performance for all your apps and tasks. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and the OPPO Find N5 does not disappoint. It comes with a 5,600 mAh battery that supports 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. This means you can enjoy long hours of usage with quick charging options. The OPPO Find N5 also includes some interesting accessories. It comes with a magnetic energy card and an AirVook 50W magnetic wireless charger. These accessories enhance the overall user experience, making it more convenient to charge your device. For those who love color options, the OPPO Find N5 is available in Twilight Purple, Misty White, and Cosmic Black. These colors add a touch of personalization to your device. In terms of certifications, the OPPO Find N5 has received the German TÜV Rheinland crease-free certification. This ensures a high standard of quality and durability. Other notable features include IPX9 water resistance, a 3D titanium alloy hinge, and 16 GB RAM with up to 1 TB storage. These features make the OPPO Find N5 a versatile and powerful device suitable for various needs. In summary, the OPPO Find N5 is set to launch on February 20th, 2025, with an array of impressive features including a sleek design, high-quality display, powerful chipset, long battery life, convenient accessories, stylish color options, and robust certifications. We'd love to hear your thoughts about the OPPO Find N5 and what features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.